Welcome to our Silent Unity prayer service for August 2026. Let's take a few moments to get settled into our chairs, close our eyes, and let our attention turn gently inwards as we come together in sacred word, in sacred silence, upholding all those whom we hold in prayer. Christ in you, the hope of glory. From Colossians chapter 1, verse 27. This truth lives as the foundation of my awareness. The presence of God expresses as the life of my being, active and intelligent in every moment. Prayer aligns my attention with this moment. I recognize divine presence as the source of my awareness, the substance of my experience, and the power expressing through my life. As I remain here, attentive and grounded, I live from this knowing, allowing it to shape my thinking, guide my responses, and inform how I move through the world. This awareness becomes steady and dependable, supporting me and all of us in every moment and circumstance. Thus we can know and affirm the presence within is alive and active. Let us bring our awareness to the presence within us, steady, continuous, and expressive. This presence is the center of our being, informing our awareness and sustaining our lives. As we rest our attention here, our bodies respond with ease, and our thinking becomes clear and ordered. Breath moves naturally, supporting our awareness of this living presence. We remain centered, aware of divine life expressing through us in this moment. Peace fills our awareness as a natural expression of this presence, grounding us in a calm, steady knowing. We stay with this awareness, allowing it to deepen and stabilize how we experience this holy moment. Understanding forms and guides our awareness. Divine wisdom expresses as understanding within us, shaping how we perceive and how we respond. Insight develops with clarity and precision as we remain attentive. We recognize our ability to know what is needed and to respond in ways that are thoughtful and effective. Understanding informs our thinking, organizes our awareness, and directs our actions. We allow this wisdom to express through us as clarity, discernment, and right perception. Each moment reveals what is needed, and we respond with awareness that is steady and informed. This understanding continues to unfold, guiding us with consistency and confidence. The life of God expresses through us as energy, vitality, and renewal. This life is active in every part of our being, sustaining and restoring with intelligence and purpose. We bring our awareness to this movement of life within us and recognize it as the source of our strength and engagement. Our bodies respond to this awareness, aligning with the natural flow of divine life. We live as an expression of this vitality, aware of the energy that supports our movement, our presence, and our participation in life. This life continues to renew and sustain us as we remain aware of its presence. Stability expresses as grounded awareness. A steady presence expresses within us as stability, clarity, and grounded awareness. This stability supports our thinking and informs our responses. We remain centered as we move through each moment, aware of the foundation within us that is consistent and reliable. Our awareness stays aligned with this steadiness, and our actions reflect this inner grounding. We move through our day with a sense of composure and direction that arises from this stable center. This steadiness remains with us, supporting each step we take. Love expresses as connection and presence. Divine love expresses through us as our awareness of connection and shared life. We recognize the same presence expressing in all beings, informing how we see and how we respond. This awareness shapes our interactions and guides our presence. We move through our relationships grounded in understanding, expressing care, respect, and openness. Love lives through us as a natural expression of divine life, shaping our awareness and guiding our engagement with others. This expression of love continues to deepen, strengthening the feeling of connection in our every interaction. As this time of prayer settles into our living, awareness remains active and steady. What has been recognized here continues to express through my thinking, my actions, and my way of being. Divine presence lives as our awareness. Understanding guides our perception. Love expresses through our movement. Stability supports our path. Love shapes our relationships. We move forward, grounded in this truth, aware of divine life expressing fully as us, as you and me, in every moment, supported and sustained in all that we do. And so together let us affirm, as we close our prayer time, the unity prayer for protection. The light of God surrounds us, the love of God enfolds us, the power of God protects us, the presence of God watches over us. Wherever we are, God is. And so it is. Amen. Thank you for sharing in this time together. Bless you.